In this video, I will explain how to perform some operations with monomials. First, in order for us to add or subtract monomials, they have to be similar. Let's add these two. The only thing we have to do is to assemble the constants, adding them, and then multiply by the same literal part. The result will be another monomial. Now, the product of two or more monomials will also result in another monomial, whose coefficient or numerical part is a result of the multiplication of the coefficients, and the literal part is a result of the multiplication of the literal parts. Using this example, we have now assembling the numbers or constants and the literal parts of the same name. For the latter, using the power property that multiplies powers with the same base, one gives the same base and add the exponents. We will get the resulting monomial. The division of monomials is similar to the product. However, when dividing two monomials, one has to pay attention to one thing. Observe the following example. The degree of the variables in the dividend has to be higher than the ones of the same name in the divisor. If this doesn't happen, it will result in variables with negative exponents, which aren't natural exponents, and thus non-monomials, which is the case for x and y in this example. All this using the property of the powers to divide powers with the same base. One gives the same base and subtracts the exponents. If instead we have this example, we now will have a monomial, verifying that the exponents of the variables in the dividend are higher than the ones of the same name in the divisor. Finally, to compute the power of monomials using the following example, by the properties of the powers, power of a power, 5, c and x will be powered to the 4, giving the following result.